So welcome to Module 1, which is all about establishing a sense of urgency.
Yeah, so I think we all know how difficult it is to get people out of their comfort zones. So we would really like for you guys to learn how to get those initial key followers so that you can start your idea.
Yeah, and with any system, it is always really difficult to create change because people often want to follow the norm. So this is your big challenge to start off with, is to follow Kotter's first step, which is establish a sense of urgency. So to kick off, down below there's a bit of reading for you to do, to go onto Kotter's webpage and just read about the first step so you kind of get an understanding of it. And we've also put some good questions there for you as well to ask yourself these questions as you're going through this so you can reflect on how this is going.
Yeah, and also down below there is a link to a song on YouTube which is all about when you're going to start your action. Are you going to start today or are you going to keep pushing it off till tomorrow? And there's also a couple of questions for you guys to think about after you've heard the song.
Yeah, and that will start off the first discussion amongst the group, so we'd like you to be an active member in that discussion point. And then below that also we have the first skill that we want to introduce, which is all about project management, and the first tool that we used actually on this program was the Gantt chart.
Yeah, and there will be a screencast of how to use the Gantt chart, and it's just super useful to keep yourself organized and on task.
Very good, so we hope that will be a big help for you in your project. And then we now move on to the Great Dream Challenge, and this first one is G, which is about giving. So you're going to be doing some activities about giving, and then this is your chance to upload a short video to the YouTube channel, which we'll then put up to the blog, which will allow us to give each other some feedback on how we're presenting.
Yeah, and lastly, after you've done all this research, we would just like to know how comfortable you feel with establishing a sense of urgency. So at the bottom right, there is a little poll. Just you can multiple choice click for to tell us how comfortable you're feeling.
Yeah, and it will come up with a nice graphic so we can see.
Yeah.
So we hope you're going to enjoy this first module, and we're really excited to find out what we learn as a group.
Yes. See you for the next module.
Yeah. See ya.